Well, this decision from the Supreme Court affects around 500,000 migrants who can now face deportation. They've been here under a Biden-era program that shielded them from deportation. It allowed them to live and work in the United States, migrants in particular from Venezuela, Cuba, Haiti and Nicaragua. The Supreme Court didn't give a reason for its decision, but we do know that 2 of the 9 justices, 2 liberal-leaning justices, dissented to this, saying that the decision will have devastating consequences for these migrants, that it will facilitate needless human suffering, and that it will upend the lives and livelihoods of nearly 500,000 people. There is an expectation that these migrants will try and stay, potentially by claiming asylum, but there are knock-on effects as well, because around 500,000 other migrants under a similar program, migrants from Afghanistan and Ukraine, could now potentially be in the firing line to also face deportation as a result of this Supreme Court ruling. All of that taking place in Washington, D.C. at the same time that Elon Musk was exiting the White House, his final day on the job, heading up the Department of Government Efficiency. He's been trying to cut government wastage and over the course of the last 4 months has axed about 240,000 government jobs. He was aiming to save about $2 trillion from the federal budget. Didn't quite achieve that number. It was nearer about $160 billion worth of savings. But he believes that there is still work to be done. And this is what he had to say a little bit earlier during a farewell press conference in the Oval Office with Donald Trump.
But the Doge team will only grow stronger over time. The Doge influence will only grow stronger. I'd liken it to sort of Buddhism. It's like a way of life. So it is permeating throughout the government, and I'm confident that over time we'll see $1 trillion of savings and a reduction in $1 trillion of waste and fraud reduction.
Donald Trump also praised Elon Musk during that press conference, saying that he had worked tirelessly, helping to lead the most sweeping and consequential government reform program in generations. Elon Musk is officially leaving as his contract essentially comes to an end after 130 days in that role, but he does say that he will still be in the background and potentially still advising the president on other cost-cutting measures. Nick Harper, CGTN, Washington.